Imagine finishing a full day's work in just 3 hours. No stress, no burnout, just smart AI tools doing the heavy lifting. In 2025, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that will instantly boost your productivity. Tool number 5? It's a total game changer. Let's get started. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Prompt Pilot. Here, we help creators and digital professionals unlock their full potential with the power of AI. If you're into smart tools and productivity hacks, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. First on our list, Notion AI. Notion started as a simple note-taking app, but now it's your AI-powered second brain. With Notion AI, you can summarize long notes with one click, write meeting agendas, email drafts, and blog outlines instantly, and brainstorm content ideas all in seconds. It's perfect for writers, students, remote workers, and creators. And the best part? You can start using Notion AI for free with limited blocks right inside your existing Notion account. To access it, go to notion.so and create a free account. Then, simply enable the AI features from the settings menu. Pro tip: combine Notion AI with productivity templates to automate your entire workflow, from planning content to tracking tasks. Next on the list, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Still one of the most powerful free AI tools available in 2025. And yes, even the free version, using GPT 3.5, can do amazing things. ChatGPT is like having a smart assistant that's always available. You can use it to generate content ideas, write emails, summarize articles, create social media posts, write YouTube scripts, and even help with coding. All you have to do is type a prompt, and ChatGPT responds instantly with helpful answers. It's perfect for freelancers, marketers, students, content creators, and busy professionals. To access it, just go to chat.openai.com and sign up for a free account. You can start chatting with the AI right away. No installation or downloads needed. Want to go even faster? Pro tip: install the AIPRM browser extension. It gives you one-click prompt templates for SEO, marketing, content creation, and productivity. Just open ChatGPT, select a template, and watch the AI do the work for you. ChatGPT saves hours of manual work, and the more specific your prompts, the better the results. If you're not using ChatGPT in 2025, you're probably working too hard. Let's move on to tool number 3, Fireflies.ai. Think of it as your AI-powered meeting assistant. It automatically joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls, transcribes the entire conversation in real time, and summarizes it for you right after the meeting. No more taking notes by hand. No more missing key points. Fireflies helps you focus on the conversation while it handles the documentation. To use Fireflies, go to Fireflies.ai and create a free account. Then connect it to your calendar and video meeting platform. It can record your meeting, transcribe it, highlight key action items, and send you a clean summary directly to your inbox. It's perfect for remote teams, freelancers, consultants, students, and anyone who joins a lot of meetings online. Pro tip: you can search old transcripts using keywords, like a Google search inside your meetings. Fireflies saves time, reduces errors, and makes every meeting more productive. Now let's talk about tool number 4, Reclaim.ai. If your calendar is a total mess, this tool is going to feel like magic. Reclaim is an AI-powered smart calendar assistant that helps you manage your time automatically. It schedules your work, habits, and personal tasks, all based on your real availability. It blocks time for deep work. It finds gaps in your schedule. It even reschedules tasks if something urgent comes up. To get started, visit Reclaim.ai and connect it to your Google Calendar. Once you set your priorities and working hours, Reclaim takes over. You can create rules for focus time, meetings, lunch breaks, even gym or meditation. It's ideal for freelancers, professionals, students, and anyone who wants better time control without micromanaging everything. Pro tip: you can also use Reclaim with team members to find the best time to meet without sending a dozen emails. In a world full of distractions, Reclaim helps you protect your time and stay focused on what matters most. Last but definitely not least, tool number 5, tactiq.io. This is one of the most underrated free tools for productivity in 2025. Tactic is a browser extension that works with Google Meet. It captures your meetings in real time by transcribing what's being said live right on your screen. After the meeting ends, Tactic instantly creates a summary with key takeaways, bullet points, and highlights. No more writing notes by hand. No more forgetting what was discussed. You get a full, searchable transcript, ready to review, share, or save. To use it, visit tactiq.io, install the Chrome extension, and join your Google Meet meetings as usual. Tactic will automatically activate and start transcribing in the background. You can also export your notes to Google Docs, Notion, or even your email. It's perfect for students, teams, teachers, and professionals who attend a lot of meetings but hate manual note-taking. Pro tip: use the highlight during meeting feature to tag important ideas with one click while people are still talking. With Tactic, you'll never lose track of important discussions again, and your meetings will finally turn into action. Thanks for watching. These 5 free AI tools can seriously level up your productivity in 2025 if you use them wisely. Which tool will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs a productivity boost. Until next time, keep working smart, stay creative, and let AI do the heavy lifting.